Okay, this is the Metric Mania slideshow that will teach us how to do metric conversions. We looked at this a little bit today, but we will continue and practice how to convert within the metric system with this lesson. So you have this worksheet in front of you, the ladder method. Now notice that you have the basic unit. For our case, that'll be meters, but you're going to fill in the blocks just like you're about to see. So you've got kilometers. Okay, you're multiplying, that's 1,000 times bigger than the base unit. Hectometer is 100. We're not going to use hectometers much. Hectometers. Deca is 10 times. So you're writing these 3 items in the boxes. And then we have our base unit. We're working mostly in meters right now. Liters, as we have mentioned, is for volume, and grams is for mass. All right, now we're going to get, the units are smaller. So we have deci, which is 1/10, which is dividing by 10. We have centi, which is dividing by 100. This is 1/100th of a unit. And milli is 1/1000th of a unit. Okay, pause the movie if you need to and have your boxes filled in. Okay, so how this works is you determine your starting point, you count the jumps to your ending point, and you move the decimal the same number of spaces. I need to make this go away. Hang on. Okay, in the same direction. So the direction matters a lot. So if we have a starting point of 4 kilometers and an ending point of 4 meters, we need to know how many of those are. You probably know this because you're using common sense, but let's see how this works. So how many jumps does it take? You start at kilometers. So on your ladder, go up to kilometers. We do 1 jump, 2, 3, and now we're at meters. So we move the decimal point in 4. Okay, notice 4 will have a decimal point right there. That's the decimal point. We're going to move the decimal point 3 spots. 1, 2, and 3. We fill that in with zeros, and we have the fact that 4 kilometers is 4,000 meters. Okay, so let's do some practice. All right, so if you have 1,000 milligrams, you want to know how many grams it is. You start at milli. How many boxes? It's 1, 2, 3 jumps to get to our base unit of grams. So we're going to move our decimal point 3 places to the left. The decimal point is right here. You're going to go 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So we have 1.000 grams. So now let's look at the next one. 1 liter is how many milliliters? Well, liter is our base unit. So we're going to know how many milliliters it is. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 jumps. Well, you ask yourself, where's the decimal point? That decimal point is right here. Right there. So we go 1, 2, 3. We fill in with zeros. And so we have 1,000 milliliters. Is the same as 1 liter. All right, now we have 160 centimeters. We need to know how many millimeters. All right, centimeters is right here. Milli is here. It's 1 jump to the right. We have 160. Our decimal point is at the end of the number. We're going to move it 1 place. And then we have the fact that 160 centimeters is 1,600 millimeters. Okay. 14 kilometers. If we have 14 kilometers, we are up here. Moving our decimal point, we want meters. 1, 2, 3. Remembering that meters is our base unit. 14. The decimal point is right here. We go 1, 2, 3. Fill in 3 zeros. And we have 14,000 meters. Okay, try the other two on your own. Let's see if we get the right answers. And then restart the movie when you're done. All right, let's look at our comparisons here. And remember what we talked about today when we're comparing numbers, that we need to have the same units to compare those things. So you have these two comparisons here. All right, if we're going to compare 56 centimeters and 6 meters, we have to be able to compare them in the same units. So we can have 56 centimeters, but the question is 6 meters is 2 places to the right. 6 meters is 600 centimeters. So which is longer? 600 centimeters is longer. Okay, if we have 7 grams, 7 grams is 7,000 milligrams, and 7,000 milligrams is bigger than 698. Okay, very good. I will see you tomorrow.